Very good morning, students. I welcome you all with a lovely thought that a child's mind is not a container to be filled, but rather a fire to be kindled. The wonderful thought is by Dorothy Brande. Today we'll begin with Chapter 3, The Little Girl, from your Beehive textbook. It's written by Katharine Mansfield. Let's know more about the author. Katharine Mansfield Murray was a prominent modernist writer who was born and brought up in New Zealand. She wrote short stories and poetry under the pen name Katharine Mansfield. She was born on 14th October 1888 at Wellington, New Zealand, and died on 9th January 1923 in France. She has mostly written short stories. The Garden Party, Miss Brill, The Doll's House, Bliss, The Fly, At the Bay were her prominent work. Let me introduce with the theme of the story. The theme of the story is based on the relationship between children and their parents. And the writer Katharine Mansfield wants to tell us that children share a very important bond of love with their parents. Although when the children are small, they are young, they do not feel that their parents love them because their parents are strict and many actions of the parents seems unjustified. But as children grow up, they realize that all the acts done by their parents were beneficial for them. The parents were concerned for them, and beneath the strictness lies a heart full of love for the children. And this bond of love between parents and their children has been highlighted through this story. Now my question comes here. Do you feel that you know your parents very well? Perhaps you now understand the reasons for some of their actions that used to upset you earlier, because now you are quite grown up and now you can understand the meaning or the benefits for your behind those actions. The story is about a little girl whose feelings for her father change from fear to understanding. This will probably find an echo in every home. Let me introduce you with the characters of the story. Kezia, the young female protagonist of the story, the little girl. Kezia, she is like a normal little girl. She is afraid of her father, as we all do. She almost hated her father, but later she realized her father loved her and he cared about him. Second character, Kezia's father, a strict man. He was a firm and disciplinary figure in the story. Kezia's mother, she too is strict as Kezia's father. Grandmother, she is an old, loving lady, humble lady who loves and cares for Kezia, and she was also worried for Kezia's relationship with her parents. She is an old, humble lady. She always used to encourage Kezia to talk to her father to give him surprise gifts. Let's begin with the story. To the little girl, her father was a figure to be feared and avoided. Every morning before going to work, father came into her room and gave her a casual kiss, to which she responded with, "Goodbye, father," and oh, there was a great sense of relief when she heard the noise of the carriage growing fainter and fainter down the long road. In the evening, when he came back, she used to stand near the staircase and heard his loud voice in the hall. He started with, "Bring my tea into the drawing room. Hasn't the paper come yet?" And she saw that mother was quite busy in arranging all the things. Kezia's mother also told her that if you are a good girl, then what should you do when your father come back from your duty? You should come and take off his boots. The fearful little girl came down slowly into the hall and she tried to take off his father's boot. By the time father put his spectacles on and looked at her over them in a way that was terrifying to the little girl. He said, "Kezia, hurry up and pull off these boots and take them outside. Have you been a good girl today?" he asked. Kezia replied with lot of fear, and when she tried hard to speak, to say the words, she was not able to say the words properly in front of father just because of fear, because she was terrified, because she has to try hard to say some words in front of her father. You know, whenever anybody come from the workplace, he wants to see smiley faces. Nobody wants to see dull faces. He wants to see merry faces, happy faces in the house. But when Kezia used to go in front of father, she was terrified and a kind of gloomy face was there. So father became upset and asked mother that why this girl is having this wrenched face always in front of me. He asked mother that I wish you taught this child not to appear on the brink of the suicide or not to appear unhappy. Okay. But he was not knowing the exact reason behind Kezia's this kind of act or this kind of reflection. Kezia felt that as if to the drawing room to chat with them, but the little girl always found mother reading and father stretched out on the sofa. Later half of the story will continue in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Do read the content book. Stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you.